viewers, I welcome you back to this channel with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So here on the board, I have the WAEC 2025 mathematics questions on the board. So I'll be putting you guys through this mathematics past question. Why I'm doing this is because so as to be able to structure the WAEC candidate for 2026. So please, if you know you'll be writing WAEC next year, please stay with me on this channel as I'll be putting you guys through the solutions to these mathematics past questions one after the other. So let's look at the two questions on the board. Let's start with the first one. Okay. Now, the first question says we should write 0.0364891 in three significant figures and express the answer in standard form. So we have to take two steps here. The first step is to express this number in three significant figures, which means I have 0.0364891, right? So let's first take it to three significant figures. So when you talk of significant figure, it simply means you are starting from a relevant number, from the relevant number. So if you look at the two zeros before these numbers, they are irrelevant. So significant, the word means something significant, something relevant. Okay, so I will start my counting from these three. 1, 2, 3. Can you see that? So the number at the back of this 4 is 8, which is approximable. So we can add 1 to this 4 to become 0.0365. We have solved the first problem, which is take about three significant word figures. So next thing, and I say we should express the answer in standard form. In standard form of numbers like this, when you have 0 coming before the numbers, it is expected that the zeros coming before the number will take a negative power. Okay, so the easiest way for you to think this is just count the number of zeros you have. How many number of zeros do you have? You have two zeros, so that will become 3.65 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2. That's all. Just count the number of zero instead of you putting it like this. Just count the number of zero before you have before the numbers, before the relevant numbers, which is 2 in this case. So that will be 3.65 times 10 to the power minus 2. And if zero starts a number, start a relevant number, it's going to be a negative what? Power. So that is our answer. So this is 3.65 times 10 to the power minus 2, and that gives us option D. So option D is the correct answer here. I believe that is clear. So let's move to the next question. Given that 21 in base 5 equals to 14 in base x, find the value of x. Now, this is a number-based problem. Now, how do we tackle problems like this too? We have 21 in base 5 is equals to 14 in base x. Now, for you to be able to solve the value of x, you must take these two base to be in base 10, their standard way, because all natural numbers are in base 10. So take these guys to base 10. How can we do that? Start by 0, 1, 0, 1. Now the base here is base 5. So what you do is to multiply this number by the base, just power whatever power you have there. So that gives us 2 times 5. So the power here is 1. Then you add plus 1 times 5. The power here is 0. Then same thing here. The base here is x. We also do the same thing. That will be 1 times x in base 1 plus 4 times x in base 0. Do you understand that? So after that, 5 raised to power 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay? Plus 5 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 will still give us 1. Then it's equals to 1. This is x raised to power 1 is same thing as what? X. So x times 1 is x plus x raised to power 0 is also what? 1. 1 times 4 is what? 4. So 10 plus 1 give us 11 equals to x plus what? 4. Now this is now a linear what? Equation. So what we do is to collect like time. So we are going to have 11 minus 4 is equals to what? X. So 11 minus 4 will give us what? 7. So the value of x in this case is equals to what? 7. Okay, that is also option what? D. So if you have any question on this two problems, you can message me on WhatsApp. My number is there, or you send me a message on Facebook. Okay, I'll be able to attend to you. So please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification to receive any update from this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.